Hello friends. So let's understand today about strike price in options. This is another jargon used in options. First one was premium, which we understood in our last videos. So strike price is the set price at which options to be bought or sold. Set price means exchange already fixed some price. So if we take example of Power Finance Corporation, that is PFC, it is trading now at 85 rupees. So 80 rupees, 82.5, 85, 87.5 and so on. These are called strike price. So these are available for PFC options and each strike price has some premium attached to it. So for PFC option is available after every 2.5 rupees. So we can buy option of PFC of 80 rupees, 82.5, 85, 87.5, 90, 92.5 and so on. So after every 2.5 rupees, one strike price is available to trade on PFC. So we have given choices to choose any of the strike price out of so many available strike price. So let's understand in this context. Let's understand the meaning of options in this context. What is the meaning of the word option? It is choice. So the meaning of the word option is choice. So here what choices we have? We can choose any strike price or any premium out of so many available strike price or premium as per our analysis or as per our risk taking capacity. So this strike price and premium can be used interchangeably. So first we have the option to select call option or put option. If we think price will go up, then we obviously choose call option. If we think price will come down, then we choose put option to buy. So at the first instant we have the choice. We have the choice to select either call option or put option. And then out of individual call and put option of a stock, several options of strike price or premium are available to choose. So this is option using concept of strike price and premium. So now let's go further in strike price. So suppose I bought call option of PFC of 90 rupees strike price. What I bought? I bought a call option. So as a call buyer, what's my expectation? Obviously my expectation is that price will go up, because when I think price will move up, then only call option to be bought. And suppose premium for PFC of 90 rupees strike price, what I bought a 90 rupees strike price, the premium of which is 2 rupees. Lot size of PFC is 6200. So total premium I paid is 6200 multiplied by 2, that is 12400. So if PFC closed below 90 in expiry, is that last Thursday, which is the expiry day, my whole premium becomes 0. So strike price is also a target price for me as an option buyer. So what strike price is also a target price, because if in monthly expiry, if PFC closed below that strike price, what was my strike price? My strike price was 90 rupees. So if PFC closed below 90 rupees, my whole premium, what was my premium? My premium was 12,400, which I 12,400 whole becomes 0. So strike price is also a target price for me. Now similarly, now let's take the example of put option. So if I bought put option of, say example, 80 rupees strike price by paying premium of 12,400. Now PFC trading at 85 rupees. So 80 rupee is become my target price, is become my target, because if PFC closed above 80 in expiry, premium becomes 0. Correct? Got the point? So that's all about strike price in options. So I tried to explain the things in a simpler way. Hope you like it. So that's all for now. We'll meet in the next video. Bye.